You will never believe where I go to get my Jamaican fix. So first of all, there's no Jamaican restaurants here.
Okay.
Like, I mean, I've looked, but nothing. And I live very close to the center of Athens, so you would think if you're gonna find it, it would be here. There is an Ethiopian place close to my house. And I'm telling you, if I could get close enough to how I feel when I'm home and having a meal, that food has made me get through some rough times. Ethiopian food here is wicked. So I think that that's other than literally cooking at home,
Right.
which I do, from time to time. I'm mostly a baker. I love to bake. I make my banana bread and my bread pudding like regular.
Okay.
But yeah, but otherwise, when I really feel for something homey and I want to go out and like have a good meal, the Ethiopian food does the job. Trust
Okay.
me.
All right.